Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today, I'm going to make a Hawaiian pizza style grilled cheese sandwich. Figured that'd be pretty dang good because Hawaiian style pizza is one of my favorite pizzas, so figured why not make a grilled cheese out of it. And let me show you the ingredients. We got pizza sauce. We got canned sliced pineapple. Got red onion because I love red onion on a Hawaiian pizza. Then I got some ham that I got from the deli. Sourdough bread. Oh yeah. A little bit of American cheese and some mozzarella cheese. And we're going to cook this out on the old Weber. So let's get started. So I'm getting our coals heated up and I went ahead and prepared everything. I just got two pineapple slices. And then I sliced a good ring of that red onion. And I've got 2 pieces of our deli ham. And at the deli I had them slice it at a number 2. So it's a little bit thick. And I went ahead and sliced the bread, and I took the mozzarella cheese and shredded it. That way it'll melt easier. And then I got our pizza sauce, and I got our cheddar cheese in the fridge. And right here I've melted 4 tablespoons of butter in this little pan. And I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic powder to it. Maybe a teaspoon or so. Maybe a little less. And I'm going to stir that around, and that's going to be our butter for our bread. So I'll meet y'all out on the grill. Alright, let's get started, y'all. This is going to be pretty dang simple, but man, it's going to be mighty fine. We're just going to go ahead and grill everything right here. Put our onion on there. Put our pineapples. They won't take long because the coals are pretty hot. Get our ham on there. Just let them cook for probably about a minute or so, and then we'll flip them. Just want to get a nice good char on them. Alright, let's give these pineapples a flip. They're getting a good old char on them right there. Them are looking good. Flip this ham. Getting a little bit of a char on it. I'm going to let that onion keep it going. And pull this ham off because we don't want it to get too dried out. Set it over here. Check on our pineapples. Let them go for a little while longer. Flip this onion. Oh yeah, get a nice char on it. Not really trying to cook the onion, just trying to get a little bit of a char on it. Alright, pineapples good and charred. Set them over here on top of that ham right there. Good and charred. We'll pull this onion over here. Got him charred up pretty good. Now we get started on the bread. Take a bread just like we did in the hamburger the other day. Put a little bit of butter on the inside of it, this garlic butter. Then we're going to toast that inside. And that grill's hot, hot, hot. Ooh, look at them flames. Oh yeah. Check on. That one's done. Ooh, that one's done. Let's get that over here away from the heat. Alright, now take that pizza sauce, put it right here, put a little bit on each side of it, about like that. Now take our American cheese, put one there, one here. Take a little bit of our onion. I don't want all that onion. Just gonna take a few pieces of it like that. That looks good. Take our pineapple, stick on there. We get some of that good old mozzarella cheese we shredded up. Put right over the top of it like that. And take our ham, stick it right there. Stick our top bun on. Give it a good old smash there. Yeah, take some of that garlic butter. Put a good old mound on top of it here. Hold on. Get that bad boy over here on this flame. Ow, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Alright, y'all. Now, more of the garlic butter. Now, this ain't gonna take but a minute. Probably already starting to burn. Alright. Now, just give it a smash, because you want to smash your grilled cheese. Give it a flip. Look at there. Probably have to flip it another time. Just give it another flip. It just went about 30 seconds. Check it out. Let it go about another 30 seconds, then we'll flip it. See how it looks. Right, another flip. Looking pretty good. One more flip. Oh yeah. Getting real good, nice and toasty. Alright, I'm going to just go ahead and pull this off. I'm going to stick them over here. Let me show you what I'm going to do there, because I want to get that cheese good and melted. I'm going to grab a pan right here. I'm going to stick it right over top of it. And I'm going to put this lid on it. And I'm going to let it go for maybe a minute or two. Let's give our Hawaiian pizza grilled cheese a look here. See how it's doing. Woo! Hot. Alright, I'm going to put that back on it. Let it go for another couple more minutes. Alright, there it is. The Hawaiian grilled cheese sandwich. Cooked that on the Weber. Let's give it a try. I've let it cool down for a little while because the thing was freaking hot. Let's give this a try. Mmm. Alright, y'all. That right there's pretty damn mighty fine. Tell you. Tastes just like a Hawaiian pizza pretty much. Give me a drink of Dr. Enough. What y'all know about that? Cheers, guys, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.